Alright, so welcome back guys to our Laravel video tutorials, which is we started creating our basic web application blog. So in the previous video we've already done the CRUD functionality of our tag. Here it's the tag module that I might say is a module because in every application it has what we call module. So for me, I've divided this web blog development as a that has a, let's say, three modules that we're going to do, which is the first one that we already completed about the CRUD is the tag module, which is we already have the create, and then after the create we have the get, the read one, the read, which is this one, and also this one, the read, and of course the update, which is the letter U in the CRUD, and then the last one is the delete one, which is we already tested it in the previous video. So right now guys, what we're going to do next is to create our CRUD functionality about the categories. So let's start. So guys, actually it's this one that we're going to do is very easy because we've already done this one. All we just need to do is just create just a copy paste, something like that. So I don't need to worry about a long coding, which is for me it's not a good thing, guys. If you want to make your work faster, I might say that copy pasting of things that you've done earlier is not bad, because it takes it will lessen time to create it again. Okay, so here here we already had the category and the category displayed here. Okay, let's see. And then what do you think is missing here? In the previous video we create view, edit, and the show. So it's basically the same as the in category. We should have that also. So let's just cover these three files. It's very easy guys, like I said, and then just paste that into the category folder, and then let's change some text here because a category has it's different from tag. So for me, let's just create here like actually for me it's the same. We just need to create to change some route name, is the category, and then we should category create, it's basically the same. The edit is also the same. Okay, and then the show ID, okay, it's the same also. Nothing has a lot of changes. So this one we should just copy also that one, and then let's just change some text here. So guys, as you see, list of categories, so it should be plural. So here description, like I said guys, it's basically almost the same as what we've done in the previous video. Nothing is difficult, nothing needs more time to do code, something like that. So here categories, so and then let's see. I think it has an error. Of course it has, because we've not yet defined the functionalities variables inside. So here it's basically the same. We need to create some variable. Like I said, if we don't want to waste time, it's not bad to copy the previous one that we do. So in the tag, oh, where's the tag controller? Okay, this one is the tag. Let's close that. This one is okay, this is create, so let's close. This edit, let's close that. This show, let's close also. This tag, okay, let's close that. So okay, let's go back here. So like I said guys, it's not really difficult to do. What we're going to do is just copy paste, as you see guys, because we don't want to create to type up the code just whole time to create the CRUD functionality is basically the same. So what we're going to do is just to replace the controller, I mean the model name, which is here we use the app, and then the category model. So here just replace that, and then just replace the here, and then replace also this one, and then of course this one. So of course we should also replace the view, which is this one, the tag that you scope, and then just because it's category. Whew. Is that really difficult, guys? Of course not. So let's test. Oh, the category, the tag is missing, so it means that we missed here. It should be category. Okay, guys, as you see, we've not we didn't do so much effort to create our CRUD functionality for categories, because we've already done those kind of things in the tags, which is it was less than time for us to develop, to code again and again at the time the same functionalities that is basically the same as what we want into the other modules that we are going to build. So what we're going to do, what we're going to do is just the test of this the things that we've done. I mean the copy paste, of course, just to test if it's real or it's really working. So let's try. But I think, guys, we missed something, because we should also look at the model, which is this one. Ooh. And we should have a, like I said before, and I think it was in the second video, that we need to create a protected variable here, which is a table, and which it has a list of fields that should be whitelisted for our CRUD. So what are those fields? Of course, the title, and then the description. So that's it. So it's basically the same as the tag here. Sorry, it should be fillable. Okay, let's try the create of our oops. I see also that needs to change. Like you see here, it shouldn't be a tag. We should change also in the view the links, because you see here it should be category show or edit. So to change that without any hassle, of course we find something like this one, tag, and we can replace that here a category, so that we cannot we are not going to view separately all the files inside the folder. So it's a little bit less enough work. It's a shortcut. Okay, so let's try it again. Oh, a little bit of slow response of the server. Home, categories. Oops, category create is not yet defined. So guys, we've missed again. So let's go back to the web, and what we're going to do is just to copy this one, paste it below, change the controller, which is the category also, and then copy paste. Like I said to you guys, it's not just hard. So here category, and then tag, change it, copy paste, and then of course this one, hoop 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 hoop. So of course what we should expect if we've is that we are going to do this again for the article. So let's set it up. So here article, hoop 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 hoop, and then here like that. Of course, this one also is article controller. Okay, oh my god, it's really difficult, huh? Just joking. Okay, let's try it again. So as you see guys, it's working. So let's now test the CRUD functionality. I'm excited. Okay, test title for this category. Let's see. Oh, oh, and then this is just a test. Let's save. Oh, it says that successfully inserted. Now let's go back. As you see, it was successfully inserted, and then double check from the table. You see, it's successfully inserted. Actually, I've seen some thing. We should change some in the grade. I think it should be category. Okay, so let's try the show. Working, the edit. Let's try. Oops. There's something wrong with the with this one. I think we missed to change some model. So it says line 99 category controller. As you see guys, it's not really hard to debug the code if it has some error. So this one we should delete that. So where is the update? So it's here, category, and then let's go back. Let's update. Okay, let's go back. Let's see if it's changed. Okay, as you see, it's working. And then let's try to delete, but not the one that I've been updated before. It's working. Let's go back. Let's go delete that. Let's see. Oh, all right guys, so as you see, it's not really hard to do the CRUD functionality for the categories, because like I said before in the previous video, what we're going to do next is just copy paste what we've done in the previous module, which is the tag, and then what we're going to do is just to modify the models, because it has been mapped with a tag, so it should be mapped at the category model, and then change some route name to map into also to the category controller, and then some view changes. Of course, it's just a minor changes, and then that's it. Do some tests, and then we can see that it's working. So that's it guys. So what we're going to do next in the next step is to create the CRUD functionality of the article, which is this one is the important, because this one is this module of the article is the one that we're going to use to create our blog post that is linked to selection of the category in the tag. And then once we've done that, we've already done the basic functionality inside our blog admin, and then that's it. And then after that, I think what we're going to do next is to set up our front end web view, so that we can see the post that we've posted in the admin side, and then create some list of posts and some categories with the post, link to the post of the tag, something like that. So that's it. Thank you. And if you think that this video is helpful and giving you some knowledge about basic web application building, or something like stuff that you think that's really helpful for some beginner, or maybe for some people that is starting to learn web development using Laravel, so don't forget to like, to share of course this video, and then of course to subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Okay.